Turn it off. Turn it off, please. Thank you. Oh, let's get it up. Oh, let's get them up. Get yours up first. Out the way. Woo!
Well, that's not good.
Roll it back. Oh, how's your hand?
I've got the fluid from somewhere. Yeah.
Oh. Put the sides. Just a bit of petrol come out of mine, I think.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, my basket! No!
Not the basket.
Not my basket!
Oh.
Oh.
They're holding, eh?
You alright?
Physically, yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Oh no!
What did you hit? Oh, you hit me in the back, I know that.
Yeah, I think I hit your rack. There.
Oh.
Right, what's this?
That's oil. That's your oil, don't worry about it.
Yeah, that's all.
It's from the overflow.
Okay.
Oh, I was like, oh, there's a Ranger. Just avoided that. And then you just went smash.
Think you'll be alright?
Huh?
You think you're going to be alright?
Yeah, we'll be alright.
Yeah.
Mine won't turn left at the moment.
Oh, will it not?
My handlebars are locked.
Oh, it won't turn at all.
Ah,
Your steering lock, maybe.
possibly. Yeah. I don't think my steering lock works, so yeah.
Right, let's get that off.
Yeah.
Take my helmet off. Right, hang on. Try turn them now. Oh, I see what's happened. This has been pushed in as well. So that's been pushed into that.
And then something behind that.
Yeah, something behind that's bent. Hopefully these, because that can really done your forks in that case.
Right, we'll try and turn it, see what we can see. Ah.
It's this. This is it alright now? Is it alright, is it?
That's right.
Okay, hang on, I'll put this back on and see what happens. Ah, maybe that's what it is.
Ah.
I think this just got pushed in on the inside.
Oh, you think it went in that clip?
Yeah,
bit there?
it went in too far. So I think this bracket behind it is bent now.
Oh, okay.
So now turn it. Yeah, the bracket behind it's bent. So it's I'll show you which bracket it is. It's this bracket. You bent that bracket.
So I've got to get a new one of those, or just bend it out again.
Yeah, bend it out again probably.
So where would it have bent then?
Just
When it
here,
would have gone
just enough.
in? So when the screw's through.
Yeah, it's like that's what's been pushed in.
Okay, so I'll unbolt that and
So
hammer it out a bit.
probably what happens is when I screw this in, that yeah, you can see that screw goes in too far now.
Yeah. Okay, that's an easy fix.
Well, I didn't break anything in myself anyway.
Yeah.
I was worried that I was gonna, when I hit the ground, I was like, oh, that could be a fracture. That was a pretty hard hit.
Your hand's all right.
Yeah, it's gonna be sore. It's a bit sore.
Well, it was either going to you or going to the van, the Ranger.
Yeah. Yeah, I suppose I was the softer choice.
Yeah, afraid so.
I still don't understand. I literally cannot understand how you hit me and there is no damage to the top box. Like,
There's none on the corner.
when did you hit? You must.
I think because I thought I'm not going to get into that, I'll try and aim for the verge.
Maybe that.
So I think that's it there.
Yeah, that's what you
I
did.
think the top of my rack thing
Yeah.
crunched it and that's what bent it back in.
The rest of this just. Okay, we'll soon find out if mine tracks straight in a minute. So.
Yeah, so. Does that count as a crash?
Yes.
I'm one of the crew now then.
Right, repair's all done. We're going to go on the road now.